Welcome to day 2 of the Resume Challenge, where we're working to overhaul our resumes so we can prepare for the typical increased posting of jobs after the summer in September and October. And so we want to make sure that we can improve our resumes to make sure we're prepared for applying for a role in the health informatics field. So today I'm going to go over a example use case of a resume, and if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the chat. You can also email me at healthanalyticinsights@gmail.com if you have any specific questions about your resume. So some tips to include in your resume. So you want to potentially include a resume summary, especially if you're coming from a background that's not directly related to health informatics, or you don't have a clinical or technical background. As a result, it's key for people to sell the transferable skills they do have from working in other adjacent fields. For instance, you might have experience working in a multidisciplinary clinical team, or you might have experience writing queries in SQL or supporting external users. These are all key skills that be beneficial to your application, and including them in your resume summary is a good way to showcase to hiring managers that you have the skills. The other part of the resume is to list technical skills you have experience in. This can be skills you've obtained from taking courses or a certificate program. Make sure you have enough knowledge to be able to speak to these skills, as you might be tested on your proficiency through a data analytics test or having to create a project in your interview. For example, with SQL, you should know common joins and how to write queries to aggregate and filter the data. When it comes to the main body of your resume, make sure to use action verbs to highlight the work you have done. For instance, include examples of your work experience using quantitative data. I created reports and dashboards for emergency departments, which helped to reduce patient readmission rates by 20% in the fiscal quarter. And highlight ways you made a significant difference at your previous organization. If you have no experience in health informatics, try to highlight any relevant skills, capstone projects, or courses you have completed, which showcase your passion for advancing in the field. You can do this at the top of your resume and within the body of the resume, and also in the cover letter. Relevant internships or co-op experience can go above your degree if your degree is unrelated to health informatics. So I hope these tips have been helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. And I hope that you have enjoyed this resume challenge and it's helped you to overhaul your resume to prepare for the uptick in jobs we hopefully will see in September and October. Thanks, and have a nice day.